and then he watched Seabiscuit, and he dies. Plus, it was the funniest thing I ever watched.
Dude, you is about the dumbest motherfucker that I have ever laid eyes upon.
You think I am?
Thing. Look over there.
Oh, there's girls over there, and they look so sexy in their swimsuits.
I know, right? Hey, maybe you can run and take off their clothes. I mean their swimsuits.
That is a good idea. We can see them naked. I'm gonna do it now.
Huh? That was funny, man. You should do that much often.
I agree. We can look at their sexy lollies and their tits. This is the best day ever.
You assholes. You are gonna get it for taking off our swimsuits. That's right. Time for ass kicking.
Oh, fuck.